Welcome to this expansive and thoughtfully designed Carrollwood residence offering exceptional space, functionality, and charm. Boasting 5 spacious bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a dedicated home office, and an expansive bonus/media room, this home is perfectly designed for comfort and entertaining, perfect for today's flexible living needs. Step into the tiled foyer and admire the seamless flow into the open-concept living and dining areas featuring vaulted ceilings, a cozy fireplace, and an abundance of natural light streaming through plantation-shuttered windows. The kitchen is equipped with modern cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a cozy eat-in nook, ideal for morning coffee or casual meals. The primary suite offers a tranquil retreat with a walk-in closet and a luxurious ensuite bath showcasing granite finishes and travertine flooring. A secondary suite, perfect for guests or multi-generational living, includes its own upgraded bath and custom closet. Additional bedrooms and a beautifully updated bath are thoughtfully positioned in a separate wing for added privacy. The custom-designed office is a standout, complete with built-ins, a window seat, and classic cabinetry. Enjoy movie nights or gatherings in the oversized media room, which opens to a brick paver patio and a lush, manicured backyard. Notable upgrades include a brand new roof APR/25, granite countertops and travertine flooring in all bathrooms, and professionally cleaned tile throughout. The home also features double-glazed windows, Icynene insulation, a 4-zone Carrier Infinity AC system, and a premium security system with perimeter cameras. A climate-controlled 10 by 22 storage room adds even more functionality. This move-in ready gem blends classic charm with modern upgrades in one of Carrollwood's most desirable neighborhoods. Ideally located in Carrollwood, just minutes from shopping, dining,